Hi everyone! Today I am making delicious Portuguese smoked blood sausage. In Portuguese is Morcela fumada. I will make it to eat as an appetizer, even though there are many other ways of cooking it. And I will put a bit of Nepalese twist with some vegetables and amazing spices, so it becomes earthy, fragrant and juicy. A few months ago, if I haven't tried it in a restaurant from my friend plate, I would never knew it could be this delicious. Then I had to order it one for me. It was sliced and fried, so crispy and delicious. I loved it. And I thought that if I put little bit of my twist, it would be even more delicious. So here I am. Let's start. This is the Morcela I was talking about. It has 200 grams. There are several types of Morcela we get in Portugal, but I like it this type with 47% meat and fat, and the rest is blood and spices. I will cut it in diagonal slices. You can cut it in a round shape too if you like. Can you see the fat? Looks so beautiful. Now I finished chopping. I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. To save the time, I already cleaned and prepared these colorful ingredients. Isn't this pretty? Here I have 3 types of bell peppers or capsicum. I cut it in 1.5-inch square cubes. Each one has 10 to 12 cubes. Half medium-sized onion, cut it into cubes too, like bell peppers. Half teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 2 red and green chili peppers. I just cut it into half lengthwise. The stems I kept it because I like to hold when I bite them. You can cut it in your own way if you like. Half lime to give a final touch. In the middle, into a little bowl, I have a few pinches of smoked paprika and cumin powder. Also, we need very little oil and a few pinches of salt. I will show you later. Next, I am heating a pan in a medium heat. Check if pan is hot. I feel heat on my palm. It means the pan is hot. So now I will add a bit of oil and move the pan to spread it evenly. Then wipe the oil with paper towel, most of it. Next, put in the sliced Morcela gently and let it fry a minute. After a minute, let's see. Looks beautiful. Turn it over and fry the other side 1 minute too. Looks so delicious. But I want a bit more crispy, so I will fry it little more both sides. It took 3 to 4 minutes in total to get this beautiful color. Now turn the heat to medium-low and sprinkle a few pinches of paprika and cumin powder in both sides. And wait for 20 seconds to combine it evenly with the Morcela. Next, remove the fried Morcela and keep aside. See, we have the fat. This is where we have a lots of flavor. If you have a lots of fat in the pan, then remove a bit, but this is fine for me. Next, turn the heat up to medium-high and add the minced garlic, ginger and chili peppers. Mix them with the fat around 20 seconds to infuse the fragrances. Smells so good. Next, put in the onion cubes and peppers. Stir and fry a minute. After, add a few pinches of salt to your taste. Remember, the Morcela already had salt, so no need much. Stir it again. So colorful and gorgeous looking. Next, put in all our crispy Morcela and stir very well to combine. And let it be like this to 30 seconds to combine well. Smells awesome. Now we are done. Isn't it easy? Delicious too. Looks gorgeous, earthy and fragrant. I can't wait to taste. Sprinkle the lime juice to give a final touch before eating. It makes it lighter to eat. Let's taste. First, pepper and Morcela. So good. Explosion of juice from the veggies and sweetness from the Morcela. Delicious. And chili pepper. So good. This crispy and juicy vegetable gives another level. This appetizer is enough for 4 persons. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know. So today we made smoked blood sausage with bell peppers and onion with a Nepalese twist. I hope you enjoyed. If you do so, please like, share and subscribe my channel to encourage me to make the delicious future recipe for you. The full recipe is on my website pubskitchen.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.